Tanawa, maayo ang inyong mga kids. Alright? So at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, the people in the house, but it's already 1:15 and the afternoon. So this lecture is brought to you by Chlorine. Marami na utangan pa. So for now, the people, ladies and gentlemen, I think the children's party is all over. So for now, you will be joined to the rest of the day. Okay? So for now, again, thank you. God bless you more. And by the way, before I forget, I would like to take this opportunity na lang po. Kung sa maganahan magpa-cater together with the background decoration, you can contact Daylands Catering Services. Okay? So sila ginapon ang decorator. And then for our official photographer from Trick Shots Photography. Ayan. So, mag-cater sila in any occasion po. Mag-cater sila in any occasion. And then to your mom host, ladies and gentlemen. So, hindi sa paganahan po nga po mom host on your birthday party, Monday to Friday na ako sa ako. And